Okay, now let's go to workbook. We will answer page 127 up to page 129. Okay, so number one, write the fraction shown by each colored part. Okay, you just have to look at the shaded part and then write the fraction. So letter A, how many part is shaded? We have 1. And how many parts are there? There are 2. So the answer is 1/2. Okay? Letter B. How many part is shaded? 1. And how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3. So 1/3. Okay? So just continue with letter C to letter F. Okay? Now let's go to number 2. Use the fraction chart in question 1 to find out which fraction is greater and which is smaller. Put the correct signs, greater than or less than, in the blanks. Okay, so here you have to complete the exercise number 1. Okay, so just look at the fraction in exercise 1. Look at these fractions so that you will be able to answer question number 2. Okay, so 1/3 and 1/2, which is greater? 1/3 and 1/2. Look at this one. This is 1/3 and this is 1/2 and this is 1/3. So which one is greater? It's 1/2. So here you have to put the mouth of the crocodile in 1/2. Okay. Letter B, 1/2 and 5/12. 1/2 and 5/12. So we already have 1/2 here. Where is 5/12? Okay. So this is 1/12. 1/12. 1/12. 1/12. 1/12. 1/12. Okay. So this is 5/12. Okay. 5/12. Okay, so which one is greater? Is it 1/2 or is it 5/12? Okay, as you can see, 1/2, if we're going to put a line at the middle, 1/2 is still greater than 5/12. Okay, so here, 1/2 is greater than 5/12. Okay, now you have to do the rest. Letter C. Okay, let's do letter C one more time. Letter C, 2/3 and 7/10. Okay, 2/3 and 7/10. So how can we find 2/3? How can we find 2/3? So 2/3 is here. We have 1/3. Here's another 1/3. So this is 2/3. Okay, so this is 2/3 and we need 7/10. Okay, 7/10. Where is 7/10? Okay, so here is 1/10, 1/10, 1/10, 1/10, 1/10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so this is 7/10. Okay, this is 7/10. So which is greater? Is it 2/3 or 7/10? Now let's put a line here. Okay, you will see that 7/10 is greater than 2/3. Okay, so 7/10 is greater than 2/3. All right, now do letter E, letter D up to letter J. So in number 3, you have to take the smallest fraction in the set. Okay, so which is the smallest? 1/4, 3/4, or 1/2. Okay, so you can use again the fraction chart in the exercise 1. So you have now here 1/2. We only need 1/4 and 3/4. So this is 1/4. Sorry. This is 1/4. Okay, this is 1/4, 2/4, and this is 3/4. Okay, so this is 3/4. So this is 1/4. Okay, so which is smallest? 1/4, 3/4, or 1/2? It is, of course, we have 1/4. The smallest is 1/4, so just tick. Okay, then answer letter B and letter C. Now let's go to question number 4. Order the following fractions from the smallest to the largest and place them on the number line. Okay, so letter A, 1/6, 1/2, and 5/6. Okay, so there is one fraction here that is not the same denominator with 1/6 and 5/6. Okay, which is 1/2. 1/2 is half of the 6. What is half of 6? 3. So we have to place here 1/2 at the middle. So 1, this is 1, 1/6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, and 5, 6. Okay, so now we have 1/6. This is 1/6. And we have here 5/6. Okay, again, as I told you, 1/2 is equal to 1/2 of 6 is 3. So this is 1/2. Okay, you just have to write 1/2 at the middle. So let's write here 1/2. So this is 1/2 because half of 6 is 3. Okay, now in letter B, you just have to write 1/5, 3/5, and 4/5. So this is 1/5. This is 1/5. 1, 2, 3. So this is 3/5. And this one is 4/5. Now in letter C, you have again 1/2. Again, half of 10. What is half of 10? That is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 1/2. And then you have to place 1/10 in the number line. This is 1/10. And 9/10 is here. Okay, now for letter D, we have to find 1/2 and 3/4. So again, 1/2 of 8 is 4. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4. So that is 1/2. Okay. Now what about 3/4? 3/4 is also equal to 6/8. Okay. So we have to find 6/8 here. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 3/4. Okay. This is 3/4. Okay. And now you have to put 1/8 here. It's easy. Right. Okay, let's go to letter E. 1/3, 1/6, 2/3. But the number line is divided into 6 parts. So we have to find the equivalent fraction of 1/3 and 2/3. Okay? 1/3 is equal to 2/6. Okay? And 2/3 is also equal to 4/6. Okay, now that we have 6, we can place it now in the number line. So let's start with 1/6. So this is 1/6. Okay, what about 2/6? 2/6 is here. 1, 2. So this is 2/6. Okay, and then we have here 2/3 is equal to 4/6. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4/6. Okay. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.